Egypt's Sherrod and Mike Jackson, the dynamic couple from HGTV's Married to Real Estate, have captivated audiences with their unique blend of real estate and design expertise. In its third season, the Atlanta-based duo is known for turning clients' dreams into reality, combining Sherrod's real estate and interior design knowledge with Jackson's builder expertise. Despite their professional dedication, they prioritize family life. Key points about Egypt's Sherrod and Mike Jackson. 1. HGTV stint *. The couple has made their mark on various HGTV shows, including Property Virgins, Flipping Virgins, Rock the Block, Brother vs. Brother, and the upcoming Battle on the Mountain. 2. Show pitch *. Sherrod and Jackson pitched their show, Married to Real Estate, to HGTV during the COVID-19 pandemic. The idea originated from their experiences balancing work, family, and virtual schooling. The show is now in its third season. 3. Long-lasting relationship * together for 19 years and married for 13, Sherrod and Jackson celebrate their enduring love, often expressing gratitude for each other on social media. 4. Love story *. The couple fell in love while renovating a house in the early 2000s, bonding over a shared project for a client. 5. Family *. The Sherrod-Jackson family includes 3 daughters, with Harper often stealing the spotlight on Married to Real Estate. 6. Career backgrounds * Before real estate, Sherrod had a successful radio career spanning nearly 2 decades. Jackson, known as DJ Fat Elf, was a professional DJ alongside his builder role. 7. Incredible home * Their Atlanta home, showcased on HGTV, features cozy interiors with a white and natural color palette. The backyard boasts a deck, pool, and water features, providing a private and enchanting space. 8. Sense of humor * Despite their serious business ventures, Sherrod and Jackson maintain a playful and fun-loving approach, both on their show and online. 9. Business philosophy * While having fun, they remain serious about their work and family, expressing gratitude for their experiences and lessons learned. 10. Life lessons * Sherrod reflects on life lessons, emphasizing themes of accountability, calculated risk, integrity, faith, and the importance of collaboration in their journey.